We provide high-quality hospital curtains in Dubai that are made from the best fabric material. These curtains are not just durable but they also give an attractive look to your ward. Hospital curtains protect patients from outside influences and help them focus on their recovery. They also keep the environment in their rooms sterile. This is the main aim to sell hospital curtains in Dubai. A hospital curtain is a barrier that separates an isolation room from other parts of the hospital, keeping the environment inside the room sterile. Our hospital curtains provide privacy for patients and protect them against outside influences that can affect their healing process. Our curtains also have to be able to withstand all sorts of abuse as they are often pushed, pulled, dragged and hung up every day by nurses and doctors who are in a hurry or just don't care enough. The aim of our hospital curtains is to protect patients and hospital employees from hazardous fluids. They also help them in maintaining the cleanliness of the hospital room and hence, play a major role in the prevention of cross-infection.